Number 3, the ABCs for violin. And this is the number 31, the fourth finger study. Everybody's favorite, right? So we are just practicing going on the fourth finger for our A and our E string and just jumping all around. With our scales. So above it says, please learn to play the A major scale. On page 40, I have a scale on another video, and check that out. Scales are so important. You can do so many things with them, and I think it's just like the best practice when I don't want to practice anything or just to get me going, warming up my fingers and really connecting with intonation. So measure 30 or number 31, let's go ahead and say it. Speed read it because you should be pretty good at these two strings by now. 1, 2, ready, say it. A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B. A, B, C, D, E, 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 E. Open E1, E, F, G, A, B, A, G, F. A, F, G, A, B, 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 B. A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B. A, B, C, D, E, 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 E. Open E, F, G, A, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. So that last line coming down all the way from the B, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Do an open E there. We don't have to worry about doing that fourth finger coming down. That's a little bit more advanced that we don't have to worry about. So let's pluck it. We're going to set up open 1, 2, 3, 4, and then lift. 1, 2, pluck, go. 2, 3, open E, E, F, G, A, B, A, G, F, E, F, G, A, B. Open A, B, C, E, D, C. Fourth finger, open E. Open. 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's take it a little bit slower so we can make sure that we're using full bows for all of these notes. Set your fingers up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slightly lift. 1, 2, ready, go.